Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
I'm back. I'm back. Let's go. That's right.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Jersey Mike's. But go ahead.
Why do we have Jersey Mike, my love? Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building, aka Richie's in the building, aka Pastor Richie in the building. Son, damn. That was an early start. I like that.
Yeah, chat too much, man.
Chat too much. Chatty Richie or shitty Richie though. Y'all don't call me that. Alright? Alright.
I don't call him that.
She don't call me that. But hope y'all like that story time. But yeah, that's what happened. It goes like that sometimes. But yeah. I'm not talking today neither.
Oh, please. Today, I have a chicken Philly. I got a giant.
She got a giant. But listen. That's why today, y'all not helping. I'm going to help today. I gave you a chance yesterday to help. And y'all did. And y'all took advantage of it. So it's my turn now. Because I'm not mad. I'm back.
He's not mad anymore.
Not no more. I like how y'all was saying, you know, I'm going to get it out of here quick. Because I know my food is waiting. Y'all had all kind of stuff y'all was saying. But yeah, y'all was close, but not close enough. But it was a good try though. Nope, first day is not divorcing me, so disclaimer. So all the people that be disliking, no, we're not getting divorced, okay? But all my family members, it was nothing like that. It just, you know, me and First Day had our thing planned, you know, right? We've been on the road doing our little stuff all day. We tired, and I said, you know what? First Day, she wants some curry chicken. I said, all right, if First Day want curry chicken, I'm gonna make First Day curry chicken. Curry chicken is seasoned up for about 2 days, you know? Yeah, so the curry chicken well seasoned up, you see me? So, we there driving around, and you know, in our town, cause we live in the suburbs, aka, you know, sometimes the hood, but you can't find certain places, you know what I mean? So we had to go drive to West Palm Beach, just like about 45 minutes, but we was further down anyway, south. So it was coming up, so we had to Google different places because we would feel like for some roti, you know what I mean? Some Trinity style, some roti, because you know they love the roti. So yeah, I told First, I said, listen, we're going to do this, we're going to do right now. We did chit chat in the car, I have everything planned. I said, listen, we're not going to eat no rice with our food. All we want to do is eat roti. First said, yes man, I just want you to cook the curry chicken, we're just going to eat roti. So the first spot, I'm talking fast because I'm hungry today. The first spot we went, First they already told you that the lady said, oh, she can't make it, but you're a restaurant, you have customers. What the customers want, you gotta just give it to them. Even if you can't make it, just do it for that, you know what I'm saying? We gave you a story about that. So we went to that spot, we couldn't get it. So we have to drive and get it for the next spot. So I said, we are gonna eat the roti, although we want to just keep the roti and the curry chicken to hell. First day they called our daughter while we was driving. Daughter makes some excellent rice, by the way. She makes some good rice, you know what I'm saying? She's learning. First lady teaching her the trick how to cook, you know? I chat too much.
No man,
I'm mad now, coming there. So, I'm telling my story now. I'm venting, so let me vent. Alright, so, we already...
Are you belly that?
Calm down, we're getting here now, bad boy. So anyway now, so... we call our daughter and say, okay, put on some rice, you know what I'm saying? I said, once First Lady put on some rice, I know she's gonna want some. So in my head I said, she better not take none of that rice because we already have the concept. You know what I get with my food when I put my all in my food. You remember that prank? If you didn't watch it, go watch it. When I got up and First Lady pissed me off about my food. Talking fast. Fast forward now. So I know First Lady gonna want some rice, so I'm like, damn. Hope she better not take no rice, you know, because right now I just want to do the roti, now 3 roti by, you know? And I was gonna put all 3 of them. I could have eaten them up, but yeah, I say the food was too much. Nah, it wasn't too much. I could have eaten it, but the problem is First they put it right, and that was my concept. You feel me? I'm saying I was mad, but I wasn't big mad. Cause if I was big mad, I wouldn't come on camera. You know what I'm saying? But me and First Lady good right now. First Lady took care of me. I took care of First Lady. You know what I'm saying? But that was it. First they just the concept just got thrown off. Even though it still looked good, but I want my presentation to be like, boom, just a roti and just a curry chicken. You know what I'm saying? So it was just a little. No, it was nothing big. Me and First Lady wasn't no argument and like that. You know what I mean? I just still that was that. But good. That was it. But good try though. Disclaimer: we're not getting divorced, so stop it. Nobody said that, but I'm just saying that. All right, back to this one, first lady.
I want some Chick-fil-A sauce.
You want Chick-fil-A sauce? Yeah, let me go chat too much. Let me show them my thing first. What you want? You want me to go get the Chick-fil-A sauce? Come back?
Yes, please. Okay, family.
So we're back. So yeah, you know what I mean? But that's just the thing, you know what I mean? It wasn't nothing, but that's just me. I like when I'm doing something, I want to just, you know what I mean, keep it that theme, you know what I'm saying? Right, first lady? Right or wrong? But me and first lady wasn't, man. Me and first lady had a good time, you know? I ain't gonna tell you about business, cause you know,
I wasn't mad.
I wasn't mad. We wasn't mad, but you know what I mean?
I wasn't mad.
I wasn't mad neither.
Talk the truth.
Cause I still ate my food though, family. But appreciate y'all for checking on me. I'm good though, family. Appreciate y'all. But on some serious note, Mama Shay, you know what I mean? We still got your grandson Grayson in our prayers for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Do the same for Mama Shay, you know?
Please.
Please do that.
Send our prayers.
Say our prayers, you know what I mean?
We need the prayer wars. We need
real.
everybody to pray.
Yes. Real talk. You know what I mean?
100%.
Really. But this how my thing look. People are saying, damn, first they didn't give him none kind of things are going on. Nothing like that are going on. You see me? You see me? Alright. First lady, put your hand on the bottom. Come on, sing. I just want to show them in here real quick. Sorry.
What's gonna drop?
It's gonna drop. Look, take a look in here. I got everything. I don't know. There you go. I don't know how you eat your Philly cheesesteak, but I eat mine my way while I like it. Or like they're just tomato. Every crap they got. The more I put in there, it's better for me. Yeah. Yo, they expensive now. How much I raise this to now?
$15? Family, you want to hear my version of the story? Do you want to hear my version of the story?
No, they don't need to hear no more. Story done.
Yeah.
Give me your version.
Oh.
Let me go ahead. What's your version?
Yum, each eat, yum, while I tell my version. All right. Richie's absolutely correct. He did say, let's just eat roti and the curry chicken. But I knew that the kids them wouldn't want the roti.
Yeah.
So I told Tamia to make some rice. So family. Oh, sorry. So Tamia made the rice. I'm Jamaican. I don't know if you guys don't know that yet. If you guys are new, we're Jamaican. It's hard for me to have curry without rice. But I was going to do it for the video because my husband said, hey, let's just eat the roti. No problem. When we got home now, Tamia had already eaten because she had she made herself like a big meal, like some nuggets, whatever she be making in the air fryer. But she said, I'm full. I don't want any curry chicken. And so Vincent said he didn't want any curry chicken either, which is fine because we freeze our food anyway, like we always tell you guys. But now I felt bad because I asked Tamia to make the rice, and the rice came out so good. And then I didn't want her to feel like, oh, wow, I made the rice and mommy didn't eat none or daddy didn't eat any. So I said, let me just put a little bit on the plate. That's what pissed Richie off because I decided to put a little bit of rice on the plate. Now, I understand that he had his concept and he had a vision in his mind. Trust me, I know how that is because I have visions all the time about how you want certain things to be done, and when it's not played out properly, it does annoy you. However, that didn't mean that my dear husband had to be pissed off the way he was pissed off. Okay? Don't talk in, not give the word of the wisdom, and then when he was done, he said, you messed up my presentation. Richie was pissed off, family, because I decided to have some of Tamia's rice that she made for us.
Don't say it like that. Like because what do you call it?
What?
But some of the rice. What? Even if we did, they did eat some of the rice. We already had the thing set, so we wasn't gonna do that.
Right, but that's true. You're absolutely right. We did have it set, but people change their minds, and it's okay to change their minds. But the way how you was upset about the rice, I didn't think it was that serious.
I won't time.
But he said he wasn't upset.
Everything how we had the thing, cause I had a thing for that because now you don't see what I'm talking about. We talk about the whole thing the whole day. If we have something set, that's how we want it. Even if they didn't eat or not, you didn't still have to take. We're gonna eat the rice eventually anyway, so you didn't have to take the rice that time.
That's true. That is true. I didn't have to take the rice, but I chose to take the rice. But my thing is, that shouldn't have made you that upset. It should have just been like, all right, you want rice, whatever.
No, that was not plan.
No?
That was not plan.
So anyway, that is the story. You're back? You're back now?
I'm back now. You pissed me off again. I ain't talking again now. Oh, yeah, know you people out here.
Let me tell you something. Aries people, I don't know about the women, because I have one friend that's Aries, and she's not like that, but Aries men, 18 years, they get mad over little things, and you have to just let them be. Because if I follow Richie, I will go crazy.
That's a lie. Ain't no Aries man get mad for no little thing like that.
You want me to call the kids? Ah!
Why get married? Why get married? Yeah, it was a different topic.
You'll be here all day. You ask them how they doing? Or you mad now? You don't ask them how they doing?
Don't forget no. How you doing fine?
Somebody said in the comment, they say, oh, I know Aries. I know Aries. Oh, come on, napkin. You ain't putting no grace on this?
Grace, I'm stop showing Grace because Grace not see me. Thought I was gonna drop somebody back here. I gave it to my sandwich already. It's the first day the big sandwich over there and put some Grace on it. It's the first day to put some Grace. Alright. Take a bite. We'll bite this one.
You know, it all depends on who's making it too, you know?
Yeah. Here. Take a bite because I'm not gonna open it for y'all.
That looks good.
Can I open that side drop? Hope you enjoy your weekend. Okay? Guys, I'm enjoying mine. Hello, Muba.
It's a lot of food in there too, though. Did he put mayo on my rice? My rice.
See?
My rice.
You see that?
Did he put mayo on my bread?
I think so. Why do you like mayo? Yeah. You got mayo there. You don't know got mayo there?
It's good though.
You don't? And Friday said she didn't want none of my sandwich, so don't ask why I didn't offer her. I thought I was gonna switch with her. In the store, she said she didn't want her.
This sandwich look more juicy.
I told you to give me half. Want to try mine?
Family, we're gonna try to we're thinking about that wings marathon of wings. I mean week of wings.
You want to give us some wings they want? What kind of wings y'all want?
You know you gotta have that jerk wing in there.
Yeah, let us know what kind of wings y'all want, man. I really appreciate y'all. I had one of my family members say to us, "Hey yo, you greedy couple, y'all really got some true fans." Some family member, because every time I look, it's the same one every day, non-stop comments, and he said they be leaving some good comments, and he says it's rare you see that. You know what I'm saying? Like consistent, same people there. You know what I'm saying? We understand. You have other stuff, people have stuff going on.
Yeah.
But he said, wow, every time you look, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly, because we know people have a life, you know? And the fact that you take time
Exactly.
to watch our video
Exactly. You don't have to.
and leave a comment.
And leave a comment.
And even if you don't leave a comment, like we said, that's fine. But you still watched. We appreciate that.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes I hear them saying, I watch you at work. I listen to you on my way to work. I listen to you. My mom listens to us while she's exercising.
Yeah.
So, you know, it makes us feel good.
Makes it even better when we eat.
Yeah.
You really eat together?
Hell no. I show off, innit?
Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. I told you that. I'm back today. I got a beautiful word of wisdom for y'all. A beautiful one for y'all. For y'all beautiful people. But yeah. I got to my food part. I don't play dog. Yeah.
Oh, God.
What?
How much?
20 minutes already. I'm making word of wisdom. I got something for y'all today. I told y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Let me bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. All right. If you didn't see First Lady video, go check it out on TikTok. First Lady was busting it. All right.
Check it out on your tickety top.
Yes. All right, family. All right, chatty Shanice. Stop calling that, yo. Stop calling that. I don't want to come at me, son. You got a gang, dog. I don't want to come at me. Damn, I ain't meant to scratch me. Like I'm gonna get some money. That's what's up.
Really?
All right. Ready? Listen to your own voice, your own soul. Many people listen to the noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decide that for you. Came back with a banger. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Came back with a banger. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
One day, you know. But I came back with a banger. Don't worry. Like that. Do you want me to say that again or no? I'll leave it to the way it is.
It's up to you.
They heard me. Y'all heard me? I'm going to tell you again if you didn't hear. I don't care if you don't want to hear it again anyway. So I'm going to tell you again. Listen to your own voice, your own soul. Too many people listen to the noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decide that for you.
Absolutely.
That's right. Your first day said absolutely.
Absolutely.
That's right. You're full?
Yeah.
She's full.
I'm full.
Let me finish eat. That's gonna be mine later.
Excuse me. I know. It was good.
Want to do girl tonight?
They give you a lot of meat.
And the giants are giant.
Their foot long. It look like say it's not no normal foot long.
Yeah.
You know, I forgot my jalapenos.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take one more bite, family, because I know you guys are saying one more bite, Shanice. I'm gonna take one more.
Don't bite no more.
You make it go down. You make it go down.
Oh, it's still a big piece.
Don't encourage her to take one more bite because I'm not gonna have enough for myself. Yeah.
You know, if you guys wasn't looking, we should sit here and brush this off. This one too.
I'm not doing people. I take me greedy.
We just sit there and eat it with no problem.
People think I'm greedy, yo.
And that's what he do. He go to the buffet, eat 2 plates. He want something he full. And then say, oh, I don't want people to think I'm greedy.
Shana, you can't go on. I'm not chatting like Shanice. You think if you get more of that? Shana kiss him chatting like you chat more than you can. They never ask about the
Yeah, but it's
Yeah. I'm not chat more than that, Shana, trust me. You know what I'm saying? We share with y'all. This is gonna be mine later.
This sandwich on me.
Don't forget, Richie say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, come join the conversation with the greedy couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Happy Friday, FFF, fast food in the building. Finish this out.